Hello, so this is overview of Spigen Caseology Vault Case for Apple Watch Series 10. And first of all, what I want to mention that it's actually well made. We can find a cutout for a speaker, also for a microphone, which is located here next to the crown control, and there's like no any issue with the phone calls. So if you mind about this one, don't worry, everything is fine with phone calls. And here we got, this button covered, and it actually works pretty fine. There's no any issue. There's like click, you can hear it every time you actually tap on it. So it's actually well made, especially in this place. And you can still take off your bands. You get all of these buttons right here. So you can gently remove it from the left and the right side. But what I don't like about this one, that it's actually, we don't have access into the crown control like it was without the case. So it's really hard to actually scroll with this one. Maybe if you have small fingers, it will actually work a little bit better, but in my case, it's not working properly. But I just actually get used to scroll with my finger instead of using crown control. So this is like some kind of the bypass for this issue. Overall, I really enjoyed this one. It protects my watch, especially you can find here this, how to say it. I mean, the case actually goes over the screen, right? So when you drop your, watch like this, it will be protected thanks to this bumpers. Yeah, I'm gonna call it bumpers. It goes all around above the screen. So this is actually the good point of this watch. And also, if you are swimming with this device, or for example, taking shower and you are using this case, so you will have to actually take it off every time you go swimming or take shower, because there will be water right here under this case, especially in this area around the sensors. So you will have to actually clean it. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I can say about this case. So that was actually cheap. I purchased this one for like $10 on Amazon, and it's actually quite simple to put it on and take it off. And the only issue in my case, it's only this crown control access. So yeah, that will be all for this video. If you have any question, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.